Welcome back. CBI is expecting the statement of Lucky Amori in a month. Swedish national Lucky is the whistleblower witness in the police drug mafia nexus, the case which has been taken over by the CBI. DIG of CBI Praveen Salunke told Prudent that they have already intimated the Interpol to record Lucky's statement in Sweden. The CBI has also taken over the investigation of Bali carnage case.
CBI DIG Praveen Salunke is in Goa to take a review of investigation of Israeli drug lord Atala case. Atala is presently in Sadadzab jail at Vasco. Praveen Salunke said that CBI has already sent a questionnaire to the Interpol 15 days back to record the statement of Lucky Amori, who is the prime witness in drug nexus case. Salunke said that they are expecting Lucky's recorded statement in a month. Sources in the CBI say the statement of Lucky is very vital. Once CBI gets the statement on record from Interpol, investigation will move faster. The details of investigation were not available, but sources say Lucky's statement opens several facts that would guide the investigation agency for a further probe. Lucky is said to have shot Atala's confession on a spy camera and had released it through the social networking website. State Crime Branch, which was initially investigating the case, had to hand over the probe to the CBI as per the directives of Bombay High Court at Goa. 7 policemen, including PI Ashish Shirodkar, were arrested and suspended last year in this case. The CBI has also taken over the investigation of Bali carnage case. DIG Salunke informed Prudent that a special CBI team from Mumbai will initiate a fresh probe in Bali case. Our reporter Basuri Desai for Prudent Media.
Former NSP MLA joined the Goa Vikas Party on the eve of New Year. He has been accorded the status of party supremo by the party's executive. Mickey says he is open for alliance with regional parties. The party will go in for polls under the leadership of Mickey Pacheco.
The Goa Vikas Party will be contesting the forthcoming assembly election under the leadership of Mr. Mickey Pacheco. The Central Executive Committee felt that since a very important member of the status of Mickey Pacheco is joining the party should give him the due respect, the due weightage that he deserves. And as such, the Central Executive Committee of the party has felt that he should be accorded the post of a party supremo.
Yes, there are parties which is regional parties in Goa. They are most welcome to join with us.
So what will happen? Like UGDP comes and they say let's...
Well, we'll sit across the table and discuss.
Meanwhile, daughter of founder-president of Goa Vikas Party Sitaram Bandodkar, Anita Fatte, has raised objection. She informed us that they were not taken into confidence before handing over the reins of the party to Viola Pacheco. She has demanded a ticket for her family members. She has also written to the Election Commission about her objection to the induction of Mickey in the party.
तर वावुरलेले आसा आनी आमी तितून सक्रिय आहा आनी तेंच्यांनी भावांनी आमकां ना कळटाय दिल्ली आसा तेंच्यांनी ते सगळे आमचे कडसून सगळ्यां कडसून हे करून विसरून हे करपाक जाय आसलें आनी आमकां तशें तेंचें बरें जाल्लें जाय बापायचें नांव वयर काडलेलें जाय पण तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगना हें केलां म्हणून आमकां हेजो विरोध आहा आनी आमकां ते एक सगळ्यांक सीट जाय एक
म्हणजे कितले सीट
म्हणजे आमचे आतां 9 जाणां आहा आमी भयणी 9 जाणांक आमकां एक सीट जाय.
However, when reporters asked Goa Vikas Party's office bearers about the demand of Bandodkar's daughter, Linden Montero said that party's executive is ready to discuss and settle every issue. A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte, with video journalist Onkar Fahari.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.